Hello everyone. Let's dive into the NRKDUBQ J10P, a tablet designed specifically for kids. Right off the bat, the 10.1-inch IPS HD touchscreen is a great size for little hands, and the picture quality is clear and bright, perfect for watching videos or playing games. Under the hood, it's running the latest Android 14, which is a big plus. This means it's up to date with the latest security features and has access to a wide range of apps on the Google Play Store. The octa-core 1.8 GHz processor and 8 GB of RAM, including 4 GB of virtual RAM, keep things running smoothly. Navigating the interface is responsive and apps load quickly. It's definitely a step up in performance compared to older kids' tablets. Storage-wise, you get 64 GB built in, which is plenty for most kids' apps and games. But if you need more space for videos or larger files, you can expand it up to a whopping 1 TB with a microSD card. That's a lot of storage. Battery life is always a concern with kids' devices, and the NRKDUBQ J10P doesn't disappoint. The 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 12 hours of use on a single charge. This is great for long car rides, plane trips, or just keeping the kids entertained throughout the day without constantly searching for a charger. Parental controls are essential for any kid's tablet, and the NRKDUBQ J10P has them covered. Parents can easily manage screen time, set app restrictions, and filter content to ensure a safe online experience for their children. The inclusion of Google Kids Space is also a nice touch, providing a curated selection of age-appropriate content. The tablet also features Wi-Fi and GPS, which is standard for most tablets these days. The Wi-Fi 6 compatibility is a welcome addition, offering faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. Overall, the NRKDUBQ J10P is a well-rounded kids tablet that offers a good balance of performance, features, and affordability. The latest Android 14 OS, ample storage, long battery life, and robust parental controls make it a solid choice for parents looking for a safe and engaging tablet for their children.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.